English step by step, gerunds and infinitives, step 6. In this video, we'll look at more examples of a structure with infinitives. So, if you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below. Some verbs in English follow this pattern. Verb plus object plus to infinitive. Well, let's look at some examples. To play. And then we have the structure, my brother taught me to play the guitar. So the object is me and the infinitive is to play. My brother taught me to play the guitar. Next example, to tidy. The mother told the children to tidy their room. Again, we have an object, the children. The mother told the children to tidy their room. And the next one, to go. She invited her friends to go to the party. Next one, to leave. The teacher reminded the students not to leave the books on the table. In this example, we have a negative. So, to leave is the infinitive, and the negative infinitive is not to leave. Next example, to sing. The woman requested the band to sing her favourite song. So there we have the verbs plus object plus infinitive, teach, tell, invite, remind, request. Let's look at some more examples. So again, these are quite common verbs. Ask, force, get, instruct, order. So let's look at the sentences. I asked my friends to help me. The police forced the driver to get out of the car. They got the mechanic to repair the car. The teacher instructed the students to stand on their heads. The judge ordered the criminal to pay the fine. So you see, the same structure. Verb plus object plus infinitive with to. So now you can practice this structure with this practice exercise. All of the verbs below are followed by an object followed by infinitive. So look at the objects and verbs in the list on the right and choose the appropriate ones for each sentence. Well, here you have, for example, Adam is the object, to eat is the infinitive, him to lose, etc., etc. So choose the object and the infinitive for all of these sentences. And when you've finished, you can move on to the next video in which I'll talk through the answers. Now, in all of these examples, the verbs are in the past tense. Advised, didn't allow, caused, encouraged, etc. So be aware of that. I'll leave the exercise on the screen for a minute so you can write down the answers on a piece of paper before checking them with the next video. Or of course you can pause the video if you need more time.